Hey guys, on my last video many of you commented you'd like to see a house tour video, so here it is. So this is the front of the house and we're going to be taking those trees out and planting those palm trees in their place. So we'll have somebody come and remove them for us. And we're going to go in by the front door now. And Marmite's here to greet us. Hello, Marmite. So here we are in the entrance hall, and it's a double volume entrance hall. There was a gym up there. We're still deciding what to do with that space. We haven't really decided yet. There's a gangway, so you basically go up the stairs and then you can walk along the gangway to get to that room there. It's an open plan room. And then over here we have some greenery and we have the swimming pool over there. It's quite chilly, it's winter here right now, so even though the sun is shining and we've got blue skies, it's pretty chilly. It starts warming up around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And I'll take you guys into my office. This is where I work during the week. And a cat bed and my music instruments. And then if we go this way, I'll take you guys upstairs just now. On the left here we have the kitchen, and that door leads through to the garage. So there's the car, there's the garage door, and you must just excuse the house. We still have some paintings and things that haven't been hung yet, so we're still getting there. There's a trash bag lying there that needs to go out as well, so apologies for that. And we have the fridge here on the left, we have the pantry in here. So this is where we keep our foodstuffs, and this is the scullery where we have our tumble dryer, washer and dishwasher. And then looking out from the kitchen, we have a courtyard over here with a breakfast patio, and I'll take you guys around there now. So here we have the open plan dining room, and then we have a TV lounge over there, and this is where the breakfast patio is. It's a beautiful day, and the TV lounge over here, and this TV lounge has patio doors that open completely. These are what they call stack doors, so they open completely, and then the other lounge also has doors that open completely, so this entire room over here becomes open with the patio out there. And we have a gas fireplace over there, which comes in very handy at night. And then we have a lounge over here, which is more like an entertainment lounge for when one's entertaining. And we have the bar over here. We haven't really done anything with this area yet. As you can see, we have a TV over here that must still be hung. And that TV is going to be hung out there. So these are the doors I was telling you about that open up completely onto the patio as well. So we have a nice view of the swimming pool from here as well in the garden. And we are still deciding what to do this area. We maybe need to put a refrigerator in there, and we also need to put a couch or something in here, or couches or something for people just to like informally lay around and enjoy it. So down here we have another office on the left and a small toilet on the right, and then the guest bedroom. So this is the small bathroom that people can use when they're at the bar, and there's a painting over there, and then this is another office that I prefer not to use. I should probably use it, but I don't know, it just seems a little cut off from everything. And there's my model car collection, well, some of them anyway. And this is the guest bedroom over here. So we have sliders leading out onto the, well, it's not a patio, it's actually just into the garden really. And then this is the guest bedroom over here. We have an ensuite bathroom over there. And I'll just come this side so you guys can get a perspective of that over there. So we've got a shower over there, and a vanity for people to, you know, do their hair and things. And so here's the bath, and there's the toilet, and the shower, nice shower. And leading back into the lounge, I'll take you guys outside onto the patio. So the patio is where all the fun is. This will be a really nice area in summer. And here comes my mate. There's the barbecue, all the utensils and things. So we need to get a lot of wood that we can put down here and stack. And we just recently planted these in here because they had some other cacti or something over there, which were kind of diseased, so I didn't like them. And I think Marmite actually approved. So from here we can see right through to the front door again, which is nice. And then the swimming pool. And we've just recently planted all these palm trees in the garden as well, so you can see they're fairly young. The garden didn't have much, to be honest, and that's going to be a little project of its own. So this is the patio, and my mate's sniffing the new trees. Come on, mate. Come. Come on. Let's go inside. Let's show the people upstairs, my mate. Right, so now we'll go upstairs and I'll show you guys a different perspective of what it looks like upstairs. What I like is this little view one has of the kitchen from up here. The cats like to sit here and watch us while we're in the kitchen. And Mama's quite excited to show you guys the upstairs portion of the house. So from up here we have a really, really nice view of Pretoria. And Johannesburg is somewhere there to the south. And over there in the distance we have the N14 highway. So we live pretty close to the N14 highway, and on that side of the N14 highway over there we have the N1, which is the national highway of South Africa. And from up here we can also see the patio leading off the pajama lounge. So I'll be showing you guys that in a sec. There we can see the pool. And then we got to decide what we're going to do with this room. I was thinking of maybe turning it into an art studio. I do like to paint, so I was thinking of doing that. And you know, it's, I think, quite an inspiring room to work in. And my mate's following me everywhere I go. And then looking down, you've got a nice view here of the rest of the house. And everything's open plan, so you can hear what's going on in the other rooms, and it's kind of nice, you know. when people want to talk to each other. And then we still have to, the painting you actually saw in the kitchen has got to go up here, but the painting is damaged, so we got to just fix it. This is the pajama lounge up here, and this is really where we sit and watch TV at night, because we watch Netflix and YouTube, things like that. And so for that reason we got a kettle, coffee, sugar and milk up here, so we don't have to run downstairs, and of course a heater for winter. And I think what we'll do is we'll go to the guest bedrooms down here, and we have a guest suite over here as well, and there are two kitty cats lying here on the bed. That's Socks and that's Dash. I think you guys who have watched many of my videos will have seen Dash in quite a few of my videos, probably not Socks. Now here's a patio that's shared between this room and then the other room over there, and also not a bad view out there. And then this window looking down on the driveway, that is the room. And then if we go to that side, we have a ensuite bathroom that has a door leading out into the passage. So this bathroom can be shared by either the person staying in this room or people in the pajama lounge. And then this is the end bedroom. We should give the rooms names, I guess. And this is looking out from this side. And then this one leads onto the patio as well. And we have a nice view of the mountains in the distance over there. And from here, one can actually see right through there to another portion of the city. There's a power station over there, I think, with the national power utility, who sometimes has trouble keeping the lights on in this country. But here we have some cat bowls. The cats have turned this room into their room. They like to eat here, and here we have a bathroom with a shower and a vanity, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if we go back down into the pajama lounge, we get the patio. That's where we came in again, and here's the patio leading out or looking out onto the pool below. So again, the sunset's right over there in winter, and the sunset is absolutely beautiful. I might just plug in a picture here of the sunset. It's absolutely stunning. But here we have a very, very good view of the highway, so one can see how busy the road is before you go to work. So this patio shares space with, we've got some lounges here, the cat's litter boxes, and we actually didn't know what to do with the lounges because they come from our previous property. And this patio actually shares both the pajama lounge and the main bedroom, which is over there. So before we go to the main bedroom, this is just a hobby room, which is really where I should be doing my painting and artwork and stuff, and we're looking down on the neighbors over here and the roof. And I don't know, I would have liked to have played my keyboards, put them on this table, but it's just too high, and it would be very awkward to compose music like that. So if we go down the passage over here, we have the linen closet over there, and This here is the main door leading into the main bedroom. So these doors, if they are closed, the entire main bedroom suite is closed off from the rest of the house. So we'll go into the bedroom, and then as you can see, it shares the patio out here with the skylights over there. And Mama decided to go lie there, so he's happy. And then we have another Juliet balcony out here, and this has a nice view of the park over here in front of our house. Again, really beautiful day today. I must say the weather is really beautiful in winter. It doesn't rain, you know, we are guaranteed beautiful weather, and we depend on the summer rains to fill the dams and provide water for us. So this is the main bedroom, and we're going to go through to the ensuite. So, you know, there should be a painting over here. We still have to hang that, and there should be a painting there, and we'll be hanging that soon as well. And then I'll show you guys, this is the walk-in closet, and we've got closets all around here. And then we have a dual shower over here, and it's a really nice big shower. We have the bath, and we have the vanities, basins, and the toilet. And then it's really nice to sit in this bath at night, pull up the blinds, and just gaze out the window at all the lights in the distance, because they just stretch for miles and miles and miles. It's a big sprawling city. So, you know, I just want to give you a perspective of the bathroom from this side. So it's a really, really nice bath to luxuriate in and enjoy yourself. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Some of you did comment on my previous video that you would like to see a tour of the house, and I hope you guys like the house. If you did like it, please comment below and share some of your favorite features that you liked about the house. It is a very nice house to live in, and I really do appreciate you guys joining me in this video. Thanks for watching, and do come again.